ready to turn your social media marketing agency vision into a stunning online reality. Let's build your professional Wix website step by step. First, we'll navigate to Wix.com and begin by choosing a template that perfectly reflects your Smma brand identity. Wix offers a vast library, so browse for one that's clean, modern, and highlights marketing services. Once your template is selected, the real magic happens in the Wix editor. We're going to personalize the text elements on the homepage, replace the default content with your agency's name, tagline, and a compelling introduction to your services. Now, let's inject your brand's visual identity. Click on the header area and upload your Smma logo. You can resize and position it for optimal visibility. Then, we'll adjust the color scheme to match your brand colors, ensuring a cohesive and professional look throughout the site. Every Smma needs to showcase its expertise. Let's add a dedicated section for your services. You can duplicate existing sections or add new ones. Populate these areas with descriptions of your social media management, advertising, content creation, and strategy services, using high-quality images to represent each offering. Client acquisition is key, so we'll integrate a user-friendly contact form. Navigate to add elements, select contact and forms, and choose a professional form. Customize the fields to gather essential client information, like name, email, and project details. Build trust and credibility with social proof. We'll add a testimonials section. You can easily add new elements for testimonials, inputting client quotes and their names. This is crucial for showcasing successful collaborations and results. Before we launch, always preview your website. Wix automatically optimizes for mobile, but it's essential to check how it looks on all devices. Ensure everything is aligned and easy to navigate. Finally, hit that publish button. You can connect a custom domain for a truly professional touch or use a free Wix subdomain. Your powerful Smma website is now live and ready to attract new clients.